Today I'm counting down my top 3 countries to teach English abroad in 2025 and 2026. I chose them based on demand, lifestyle, salary potential, and my overall experience that they had for TEFL teachers. So let's dive in. Number 3, Vietnam, a country where teachers often plan to stay for a year, and they somehow end up staying for 3. The demand for English teachers is super high, and it always has been. The students are fun and they're really energetic to work with. The work environment is usually laid back, more so than other countries. And one of my favorite things about Vietnam is the low cost of living. You can eat incredible food, enjoy the culture, and still save money each month, which is a must for me. Whether you're into busy cities or a relaxed beach town, Vietnam gives you both, everything, making it a supportive, affordable, and welcoming place, especially for first-time TEFL teachers. 2, South Korea. Next is South Korea, which continues to be one of the most reliable and rewarding TEFL destinations out there. The benefits are hard to beat, actually. The high salaries, really high salaries, contract bonuses, and excellent healthcare, all available even to teachers with minimal experience. Daily life is incredible and incredibly fun. It's also really efficient, from transportation to school systems, and when you're off the clock, you've got amazing food. It's a fantastic place to build your confidence and settle into a more structured, stable teaching routine. So what's taking number 1 this year? Prague in the Czech Republic. A bit of a rogue one, right? Taking the top spot this year is Prague, and honestly, Prague is one of the best places in Europe to teach right now, with a really steady demand, year-round hiring, and a lifestyle that's really hard to beat. Think stunning architecture on every street, relaxed cafe culture, reliable public transport, super clean, and a really huge international community. What stands out to me most is balance. You can live comfortably while still enjoying everything Europe has to offer, including easy and affordable weekend trips to nearby countries. Because what's so great is it's not too far, especially if you're a first-time TEFL teacher and you're afraid to go too far away from home. The TEFL scene is really welcoming there and full of opportunities, from language schools to private tutoring to business English, making it really perfect for, like I said, new teachers. Honourable mentions this year. Quick shout outs to Spain, Thailand and Poland. All really great options for their own reasons. Whether it's lifestyle, travel opportunities, or high earning potential in general, they narrowly miss the top 3, but are still fantastic places to teach. So these are my top 3 TEFL destinations for 2025, 2026, but it's also really dependent on what I experienced when I was there. So if you're planning your TEFL adventure, think about what matters to you most. Is it culture, salary, travel options, or a long-time career growth? Because that's a totally different thing in general. All right. Thanks for listening and see you soon.